light on for my flashlight so that you guys will be able to clearly see me. So there's that. Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today is Sunday, December 2nd. I am currently in the Starbucks drive-thru line because I practically live here. I am getting me a coffee. I'm so tired, guys. At the end of Vlogmas Day 1, which if you haven't checked that out yet, you totally should, which honestly by this point I still have to edit, but neither here nor there. I made the stupid decision to go out. So after I last talked to you guys on Vlogmas Day 1, I was leaving Riley's house. It was like 7 or 8 o'clock. I was being such a responsible adult. I was like, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna go to sleep, I'm gonna be a good person, like get Vlogmas Day 1 edited and just be a good civilian, you know? No. My friend convinced me to go out. We went to the bars, we went to I had one too many drinks, and now a sister is sleepy, okay? I'm so tired. I went home at 1, went to bed by 2, and woke up at 6. And that's what leads me to the Starbucks drive-thru right now. Guys, I just wanted to focus. Do you see that time? Hold on. Do you see that time? That time is the literal beat of myself crying. So I'm trying to export Vlogmas Day 1's vlog, and I'm doing it on my hotspot. Originally I was supposed to go, matter of fact, let me figure something out because I keep covering the mic and I'm trying not to, but it's like, I don't know. There we go. We're gonna go with this. So currently I'm trying very, very hard to not like use our Wi-Fi at the house to upload the video because it just takes a long time. So I'm using my phone's hotspot, and literally it's at like, what is it now? 13 minutes. They're 13 hours and counting. Okay guys, we're making moves. Ignore my face, but look, we're making it. We're at 4 hours now. Yes. I'm watching like Alicia Marie's Vlogmas vlog. So I have been watching Vlogmas since I can't even remember how long. I've been obsessed, and I feel like it's got Snapchat from Lexi. I feel like it's pivotal to start Vlogmas by watching vlogs from Alicia Marie and Remy. Like, those are my two girls who I keep up on Vlogmas with all the time. Like, I cannot go a day without watching their Vlogmas vlog. And I started to watch Alicia's vlog when I was at work. But yes, guys, I'm so excited because we're down to almost 3 hours now, which I'm okay with. While this is all happening, I'm probably going to go ahead and work on the thumbnail and getting that set up. And I'm excited because I don't have to go anywhere on Tuesday and on Wednesday this week. So I think I'm gonna do some fun stuff there. I know one of these days I have to go grocery shopping because mama needs her some, like, you can probably hear all the shuffling I'm doing right now, but I need some fruits and vegetables in the house because we don't have any right now. And then what else do I want to do? I want to go to Trader Joe's. I've been saying I want to go there for a while, so I want to go to Trader Joe's, and I want to go to Marshall's because I need beauty blenders. I need booty blenders. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys because I'm really excited because this vlog is wrapping up once it gets down to like the hour mark, because it's been slow and steady, okay? It's been taking its sweet time, but it's going. And once it gets down to like the hour mark itself, then I'm gonna be like, okay, we can keep moving. Because right now it is not moving from 403. There it is, 402. Come on, 401. Give me a 401. Yes. Okay. It's uploading directly instead of it uploading onto my computer and then from my computer to so I edit all my videos. I should probably start over. If you guys don't know, I edit all of my videos as of right now on iMovie. I plan on upgrading my camera and my computer next year. Those are my goals. I want to get a Canon G7X. Patong has one and it's beautifully beautiful. So I want to get one of those, and I also want to get a new laptop. So those are the two things I'm going to do, but I'm going to wait till next year because like I just can't go outright and buy that just yet. Like you gotta save. I also need to upgrade my phone just because my like speakers have been weird apparently, and I don't know. I'm going crazy, guys. But anyway, long story short, I edit all of my videos on iMovie right now, and usually when you go, I like edit my videos on iMovie and then I export the video from iMovie onto my external hard drive, which is this Lacy, this little thingy-mabobbers, which is a really good hard drive. But I lost the plugin, and like this is a very specific plugin. Like if you have a Samsung it might work, but I don't. Team iPhone over here, baby. So okay, I'm like trying to make sure you can see my head and it's not cut off, guys. We're in the bathroom. Vlogmas day 2 has been such a fail. I literally have been doing nothing but like figuring out what the fuck to do with exporting the vlog, because it was a struggle. Then I'm in the bathroom and I decided why not take this as a time to do a night routine with me, and I'm going to show you guys how I get ready at night. So start right now. I have not been able to speak all day and it's irritating. So I have the Bamboo Spa Tea Tree facial wipes. These are what that looks like. Beauty Guru status. Hey, hi, yes. So I use these. They're okay by themselves. If I don't have on makeup and I'm just doing a quick like cleanse because my skin feels gross, then I'll just use these by themselves. Otherwise, I'm gonna go in with this micellar water. I need to get more. I personally like the mattifying one, but lately I've been noticing my skin is way too dry and it's not hydrated enough. So I've been going with the regular micellar water. This is the all-in-one waterproof one, which Garnier, when I get up there, you know, when I'm like with the rest of the rest, please feel free to send me micellar water. Clean up as you go to be productive. Okay, so next, moving in, we're gonna use this bad boy. So what I do next is wet my hands, because you're supposed to gently wet your hands. So we're gonna use lukewarm water. Fun fact, you shouldn't use cold because it closes your pores, and you don't want to use hot because it does something else to your pores, the opposite of closed, but not like widely opens. It's not good to use really hot water. So lukewarm water away. And then going in with these, I'm gonna put just a little bit of that bad boy on there. Just about that much, which honestly is probably more than I need, but we've committed at this point. Taking my hands, I am just going to something on my hands actually. There we go. Spread it and then rub it in. Alright, so next I'm gonna take this little e.l.f. brush that's supposed to be used for what is it supposed to be used for? Oh, for like face mask, but I like using this little again, beauty guru. I like using the little brush in and rubbing in my like cleanser or whatever to really get in there. So that's what I'm doing right now. Circular motions, you know, really get in those pores. Okay, so rinsed it off, putting that away because cleaning up is nice. And then moving on to the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser and Purifying. And then going in with this bad boy, I'm gonna add a little bit on there. Again, probably did way too much for dramatic effect, but whatever. Rubbing it in your face. And this one isn't like a crazy foam, like one of those bubble foams, but it has a nice like lather to it. And it's very cooling after doing the Cetaphil one. So, or not Cetaphil, the Neutrogena. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for a second and I'm gonna rinse it off and then I'll bring you guys back when I put on the Cetaphil. Okay guys, so it's a little bit later now, or it's been some time. So the mask is like set and like sticky. So I'm gonna go in and wet this towel and just wipe it off. Finished like exporting. I was getting ready to upload it and then something was like, Kayla, put the video back. Like, just watch it back before you make it public. And sure enough, the video, like a chunk of the video is missing. So now I have to go back, re-upload it, re-export it. Like, I'm going to cry. This is not how I want Vlogmas day one to go, but hopefully I'm able to get it like situated now so that I don't have to worry about this later and it still can go up tonight. It may just be a really late upload, but tis is what tis is, you know? So, my skin's wiped off, looking fresh, so clean. I'm gonna put this here, and then usually I go with the Cetaphil, but I'm not gonna worry about it tonight. So I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Counter brightening and vitamin C facial oil. Well, first, let's let my skin dry first. Hold on. I'm like getting so stressed out. I've been rapid fire texting Sam and like Heather and like seeing my two other friends in our group chat, just like freaking the fuck out because I've literally been working on getting this vlog exported for over 5 hours and it just hasn't been going and it's literally just stressing me so far out and like sister shook right now. So, okay. So literally it's like this little dropper and it has a whole bunch of like vitamin C oil like that. So I'm gonna put some on my face. I usually do like 4 dabs. So on my nose, 2 on my forehead, 1 on my cheek, 1 on my chin. That was definitely 5, but close enough. And then just rub it in. And a little goes a long way here. But just rub it into the skin and make your skin glisten. It smells so good. It smells like oranges. Like it's definitely citrusy. But since using this, I wake up and I know my skin looks so good. And then on nights where I wear makeup, like that day, I will go in with the Estee Lauder Nighttime Repair Serum and put that on, and I noticed really good things with that as well. So, all good things. So I'm gonna rub this in, and then I'm gonna go and try to figure out what the fudge sickle is happening with this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this little portion of me showing you what I do with my facial routine. Honestly, I think I am going to end the vlog here. I really need to get Vlogmas Day 1 put up. I'm sorry Vlogmas Day 2 wasn't as exciting. Literally, guys, it just wasn't much that was going on, but I promise tomorrow's going to be a lot more fun. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully by this time Vlogmas Day 1 will be up and you guys will be able to watch it, and I'm going to stay up late and get this edited so I don't run into this problem tomorrow. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3.